how to fix switch to youtube.com problem. So if you want to fix switch to youtube.com problem, then what you need to do is open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to search for YouTube. After searching, tap on it, and now you'll have three dots, which is on the top right, and you will have uninstall update. You need to go and uninstall your update. Or if you don't find uninstall updates, you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then clear your cache. And this might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just go back and go with about phone. Under that, go with your version and make sure that you have updated your software. If you have any updates, check for update. And if there's no update, then your problem might be fixed. But if you have an update, then you just need simply go and update it, and it will fix your problem. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go and restart your device. After restarting, you can open up your YouTube and it might fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.